how to get Game Pass link in Roblox. In this video, I'll show you how to get Game Pass link on Roblox. So to get started, go ahead and head over into Roblox Create and then log into your account and then navigate into the Experience tab. So under that, click on the game where the Game Pass is located. So under the Experiences, click on this game where you have created that Game Pass. So click on this view experiences and that will take you here. And then in here, go ahead and click on the gear icon or three dots menu next to it. And then under that, go ahead and go to the monetization tab. So if you have this monetized, you'll be able to find that and then head over into passes section. So locate the Game Pass you want to share, so click on the gear icon or three dots menu next to it and select configure or view details. Now once you're on the Game Pass details page, look at the browser's address bar and copy the link, and that's your Game Pass link. So the numbers in the link are unique to your Game Pass. You can share this link anywhere so others can buy it, and make sure your Game Pass is on sale, otherwise people won't be able to purchase it.